Let's learn to use the color picker in order to change the background color. Before we do anything though, after we've opened our image, let's go ahead and duplicate that so we don't do anything to damage the original. In that way, we can relax and experiment with a copy of our image. Come up to the main menu, select Image, Duplicate, give it a name. Here's the original, here's our duplicate with a name. Now let's take a look at this section of the screen here. Over on the toolbar down towards the bottom, 3 tools up, we have the foreground color and we also have the background color. We can switch the colors back and forth with this arrow here. Now white is at the foreground, black at the background. What we want to do is change the background so that we can, in the next video, add a frame around our image. But in this video we will simply just change the background color using the color picker. Step 1 in this process is to click the background. The color picker appears. You have a range of colors to select. You also have the numeric values of those colors, the codes. Notice that when the color is all white, the values are all 255 for RGB, red, green, blue. If we were to go to all black, take a guess. That's right, all zeros right there. What we want to do is actually use the eyedropper tool so that we can pick a color within our image. Now notice when I point to the image, the eyedropper appears so that we can sample a color. In that way, when we put a frame around this image, we will have a nice contrast. The frame will match something within the image. I'm going to go here for this Cal Poly green. Once we have the color that we desire, we can go ahead and click OK. And by the way, once you have that color sampled, you can adjust it a little bit by moving right in that zone there. So if I want to brighten that up just a little bit, I could do that. And click OK. And notice now that the color for the background has been changed. So that's how you use the color picker along with the eyedropper to sample a color within your image. And in the next video, we will actually utilize this color to add a frame around this image, utilizing the crop tool.